everyone. So right now we're going to go in with the BH Cosmetics It's Judy Time eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be going in with a colored watch. I really don't think I usually do in a cut crease, but I'm going in with the shade blue, and I'm going to be applying the blue into the crease, also using the BH Cosmetics Royal Tan eyeshadow brush. I love their Royal brush collection. It's like their brushes are so good and very much affordable. It's not like a pricey brush. It's just perfect. Then I'm going to take the peach color coming out of the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to clean up the edges that I know I see some harsh lines. So I'm just going to clean up a few areas where I know I need to blend out. And then I'm going to be taking Khol from the Tarte Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be applying it to the crease. And now I am just cutting out the concealer because I know that I love concealer looks now. It's just amazing to have. And I just love the look of a cut crease. Like, it's just bomb. You guys ought to see how many people I follow on Instagram that do bomb as fuck cut crease. Sorry about that, but it's just true. So I'm just taking the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro HD Concealer Palette. It's really a great creamy concealer. It's not runny. It cuts out its full coverage, and I really like the outcome of how the eyeshadow look, because now lately I know I've been preaching about setting your crease for the longest, but your eyes pop a lot whenever you apply eyeshadow. Like, I just applied a white on my eyelids, and you guys can see the big difference. Like, it really stands out. So I really like that method now. So, but I still do cut my crease whenever I feel like I'm in a need to. If I'm going to be out all day, I feel like I do cut my crease a lot whenever I'm like knowing I'm going to be out for a long period of time and I slay the makeup look. That's when I cut the crease. But when I'm in the mood to not to, I just cut the crease and apply a cool, nice little cute eyeshadow on the top, and there you go. And then I just went back into the crease and kind of added some more black, because I feel like with the cut in the crease, it kind of really went over the black. So I really added just a little bit more. And the black that I am using is Khol from Tarte Cosmetics. And I love this palette, you guys. So obsessed with this palette. Like, when I say obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution palette, which I really love. And I'm going to take that vanilla nude eyeshadow color, and I'm just going to be applying it up under the brow. And now I'm taking Xlash Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using the DeeDee Cosmetics brush from their Royal collection. Oh my gosh, you guys, these brushes are to die for. Like, they're amazing. And I am going to apply it to the eyeliner, to the upper lash line. And this eyeliner from Xlash Cosmetics is the bomb too. I love them. I know I like to apply my eyeshadow a little further out, but I'm going to be taking the same BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to clean up the area. And I just love how the finished look turns out once you clean it up with concealer and give it that sharp edge look. Oh my gosh, guys. Just look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so amazingly cute. I'm sorry, but it's just amazingly cute, and I just love that. Look how full coverage this concealer is, though. Like, boom. It's like it's not even there. Like, not even there. And then I'm going to pop on some lashes, and that'll complete the look once everything, the struggle, y'all. The struggle with lashes are real. But I'm going to pop on some lashes, and then that should complete the look.